friends, I am back. Today we will make ice cream with cotton. For ice cream we will take following things: baby scissors, pom-pom ball, glitter and some decoration things. Paints and glues, cotton. That's it, friends. Let's start. We need a square pickup for cone. My cone is ready. Stuff the cotton inside the cone. Friends, see my ice cream. Friends, put some glue. Friends, we will put pom-pom ball in the top. Friends, we will put glitter. Friends, see my ice cream. It's ready. Friends, sharing is caring. We will eat together. It's yummy now.